Welcome everyone to another video. At this point you should be comfortable on creating, saving and opening HTML files. You should also be able to view any web pages source HTML structure by using browser inspect tool. You should be familiar with different HTML terminologies like tags, self-closing tags, elements, block elements, inline elements, HTML tag, title tag, body tag, and different level of heading tags. If you are not familiar with those, I would suggest watching previous videos again. Otherwise, let's go into a new topic. So for this video, I have opened up the VS Code on the left side, and on the right side I have the browser open up, and I'm using a extension in VS Code. It's called Live Server, which lets me to see any changes instantly. If I do something like, here is new change and save it, it will show up here. Alright, this is an extension in VS Code. You can use it. That's what I'm using currently. So today we'll learn about paragraph or p tag. Okay, the paragraph or p tag is a block element. We start with left angle bracket, p right angle bracket, and we write it in a pair. So opening tag and the closing tag, and we'll write some paragraph here. Usually we use a paragraph tag for grouping content. It can be a structural grouping of similar content. So let's have some more paragraph for this demo purpose. I'm just trying to get some paragraph. You can use lipsum.com to generate paragraphs as a placeholder. Let me generate like 6 paragraph, generate, and we'll copy these and we'll paste it here. Right now you can see this, even though we have like the spaces and line breaks here, it won't show up in the browser because HTML will ignore line breaks and many white spaces. What I mean is, like, if you have like spaces here, this will be ignored as well. So instead of having this amount of white spaces, we'll just see one white spaces. We'll just see this. For that, some people tend to use this neighbor breaking spaces. There's a special meaning, and we just shouldn't use to have the white spaces. Okay, for this demo purpose, it's fine. I'm just trying to show that this is one way to have lots of spaces, but it has a special meaning. We will cover about NBSP in future videos. See how there's more white spaces, right? And if we want to do changes and to add any line breaks, we can just do BR. Again, BR is like self-closing tag. We don't write it in a pair, like we don't need to do this. We just do BR and see how there's a new line break, right? We can just copy it, paste it, paste. Now you can see a line break here. It's starting on a new line. Let's make it more line breaks so we can see it better. That's how we can add line breaks in HTML, but for this demo purpose I was just showing about the paragraph tag. And let's change these. I didn't do anything much here, I just added a paragraph tag here. So now we have a nice looking paragraph. This is our first paragraph, second paragraph, third paragraph, fourth paragraph, fifth, and so on. So this is how we have a paragraph in our HTML document. To make it look nicer in the VS Code, I'm just gonna wrap my output so we can see better. And that's all for this video. We'll see you in next video. Thank you.